Hello. This week we are studying Chapter 7, Metric Measurement of Length. Now, metric measurements mean centimeters and meters in second grade. Now, right now, the kids took homework on meters. And it says that from here to there, that little cart is 1 meter. So far, 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. And we first of all always think about what is it that we know about this. And you're like, well, yeah, since it's 1 meter right there in that space means that it's 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. So the car is 3 meters in length. Okay, we've learned that writing just M is an abbreviation for meters. Now, so let's look at the van. We know that one space is 1 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The van is 5 meters, and we could write it out or just have the abbreviation. Okay. Now, let's see the truck. 1 meter, 2 meters, and we see this space. 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, 9, 10, 11. So the truck is 11 meters. Now, how much longer is the van than the car? What is that question asking you? What do you know about that question? How much longer is the van than the car? Are they asking us to compare? Yes, they are. And when we compare, what do we know about comparing? Well, we know that they're different. You're trying to find a difference because they're different. And when we find a difference, we know that we're going to have to subtract. Okay? And you could also place them together and you say, how much longer is the van? And you see that, yes, it is longer. How much? Well, you say 1 space, 2 space, 2 meters longer. You could see it clearly in the picture. It's 2 meters longer because the question is, how much longer is it? How much longer is the van? Now, we could also figure it out by finding the exact difference, okay? And that's comparing 5 meters. Take away the 3 meters from the car, take that away, and it left us with those 2 meters. Okay, so the van is 2 meters longer than the car. Yeah, the van is longer than that car. Now, we could also say that the car is 2 meters shorter. It is shorter. How much? Well, we see it right there. 2. It is 2 meters shorter than the van. Again, you're comparing, and we would subtract. 5 take away 3, 2, 3 and 2 more is 5. Now, I want to go over one more problem with you. Okay? Let's go over number 4. It says, which is the tallest? Well, what do you know about tallest? The tallest means the one is the taller of them all. Okay, which one's the tallest? The tallest of them all is that street light. Okay, so you're like, that's the tallest, the street light. And please write it in a complete sentence. Now, how much taller? How much? They're asking you for an amount. Okay, how much taller is the street light, George, than the traffic light? Okay, traffic light, street light. Are they asking us to compare again? Yes. We're trying to find a difference. When do we find a difference? We find a difference by subtracting. So you go, okay, 4 meters minus the 2 meters. And we find that 2 and 2 more will give us the 4. So our 4 meters take away the 2 meters, and it'll leave us with 2 meters. The street light is 2 meters more. And you could clearly see it if you go like this. You go, okay, now, and we'll go like this. And you say, we're trying to find this amount right here. This is our amount in question. How much taller? And we know this whole amount is 4. And it's like our number runs. Our whole amount. We know this other amount from the traffic light. And we're missing this other part. Okay, so we end up subtracting because we're finding that other part is 2 meters. The traffic light, the street light is 2 meters longer. Okay, how much shorter is the boy than the street light? Are we comparing again? Yes, so what do? And I'm going to leave it at that. So make sure to subscribe and show all your work and all your thinking, okay? Now, the street light is the tallest. Just making sure, finishing that up. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much and enjoy your math. Goodbye.